in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown.
Hi guys, this is Dixa and welcome to my channel. So this is my first ever video. Finally. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous and excited at the same time, but the thing that I'm going to show you today is really very interesting and I love doing. And I just caught myself getting addicted to it, so thought that why not show you guys and start my video. It's such a cute thing.
Okay, so I actually meant to say channel, not the video. I don't know why I say that, but
making your own scrunchies. So you can make it from any scrap fabric or any old clothes, you know. Use any old clothes laying around you if you like it, and then just take it, cut it, and make it, you know. So yeah, you really don't have to have a sewing machine. If you know the basic stitching methods, then you're just good to go. Yeah, today I'm going to make it from my dad's shirt. It's an old shirt, so yeah, I'm not going to use his shirt that he's using, because if I do, then he'll just gonna, you know. You got it? Yeah, I guess that's enough for the intro. I don't know why I'm behaving like this today. I'm kind of very...
I'm nervous. This is my first time sitting in front of the camera and talking like this. It's obviously gonna get awkward.
But I'll make sure that I won't make you feel that way, you know? I don't know, so without further ado, let's go!
all we need is fabric, scissor, elastic, needle and thread. So here I'm taking my fabric and I'm randomly going to cut the size, but make sure that it is a little bit longer than your elastic after stretching it. Decide your width and cut it. Now I'm going to fold it in half, but make sure that the pretty sides or the right sides are facing each other and start sewing the longest edge. After this, just turn the right side out. Now I'm going to take my elastic and insert it inside the tube with the help of a safety pin. After, you can sew the elastic together, but I'm just going to make double knot. Now for the raw edges, I'm going to fold it in and make seamless stitch. There is no systematic way of how you do this, but just make sure that it is seamless and sturdy. So here's our scrunchie ready. So now let's do it one more time. As I told you guys, just take it, cut it, and start making it. And here's our another scrunchie ready.
That's all for today. So if you guys like my scrunchies, please let me know down in the comment section below. And if there's anything that you want me to do or you want me to make, please again comment down below. I'll just look into it and bring in front of you guys. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of me, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and the bell icon as well to get notified whenever I upload any videos. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.